How to solve x power 7 is equal to 196. What is the value of x? So we have x power 7 is equal to 196 can be written as 14 square. Now we multiply by power of 7 in both sides. So multiply by power of 7, multiply by power of 7. Now here you can apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. Here m is inside the bracket but n is outside the bracket. But here n is inside the bracket, m is outside the bracket. So according to this rule, we can compare here. So it will be x power 7, then bracket power of x to the power 7, then is equal to 14 power of 2 times 7, that means it will be 14. Here we applied this formula, a power m bracket power n is equal to a power of m times n, that means it will be mn. Now x power 7, both term is same. This base and this power is same. So let x power 7 is substituted by y. So our equation will be y power y is equal to 14 power of 14. Now here you can apply rule that a power a is equal to n power n. So a will be equal to n where n is greater than or equal to 1. So according to this rule, I can compare here. So it will be y is equal to 14. Now remember that let x power 7 is substituted by y. So y that means it will be x power 7 then is equal to 14. Now we multiply by power of 1 by 7 in both sides because we need the value of x. So multiply by power of 1 by 7, multiply by power of 1 by 7. So this 7 will be cancelled. So we have x power 1 is same as x is equal to 14 power of 1 by 7 can be written as 7th root of 14. So this is the value of x. So this is our final answer.
How to solve a to the power 185 plus a to the power 185 is equal to what? At first you take common a to the power 185, first bracket start, this divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. A to the power 185 is same as 2 to the power 3 bracket for 185 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 to the power 3 times 185 is 3 times 185, that means 555 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different power, so we can write here 2 to the power 555 plus 1, that means 556. So 2 to the power 556 is the correct answer.